What do you think is the best way for someone to get started into angel investing?
I'll answer this in two parts. One is like a very tacky way, and then the other is probably the more useful way. So the tacky way is this: like, I'm very proud of Angel Squad, which is our community of new angel investors. We train through a curriculum how we do early stage investing, and then we offer up special purpose vehicle investment opportunities into our companies at the same terms we're investing. So you can learn more at hustlefund.vc/squad. Okay, so anyway, let's put that aside. I actually think that one of the best places to do this is you have to just get started in writing small checks even. And where I would find my deals is Angel List. You can write checks as small as like $1,000. And don't feel like it's embarrassing or weird to write $1,000. Just also remember yourself that you are a person of leverage, where it's not just about the money, but you might be able to provide disproportionate help. And one of the things that's really magical about angel investing, regardless of the level, is that it builds an instant relationship with the founding team. But I had a question about like what you said about the market, and there's a lot of this like Q&A that happens as well that people can't sometimes see all the way. And that is another great way of just like getting some sort of pattern match of, nuances of certain types of businesses and asking the right kinds of questions and so forth. So yeah, can't agree more with everything you're saying.